Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will take one live trade and will explain everything about it so that you can learn as well as apply it in your live trading session. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see, we are on the live chart and the trend looks to me is downtrend. So we will try to stick with the trend as much as possible until and unless we have an extreme level, and this is our extreme level. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you follow previous videos to get better understanding of our strategy. And if you don't know about extreme levels, there is a video in the playlist section also. So let's get started. As you can see, we are on the chart and okay, we will go with the $100 and as usual. So the market is kind of stuck in a phase, I can say that. So what we need is a breakout here. If we get a breakout, we will go with the trend. If we get a confirmation of reversal, we will go with the reversals also. So whatever we get, we will do the trade. I can say that this looks a promising chart to me. I have selected one more chart because there is also the same scenario. Market is moving in the downward direction, and what I can see is this level. Okay, so let's wait. I'm very confident about this trading setup because there is a cluster formation here, and whenever there is a cluster formation, the breakouts are very, very effective. So let's wait. Market is moving slowly. Let me cover this whole area because support and resistance levels are not fixed, they are the zones. This is our zone because we have the most touches here, so I have selected this area. So let's wait. I'm ready for a trade here until and unless I get an opportunity. Right now we are very close to an opportunity, and in the next 2 minutes I guess we will be able to take the trade. So let's wait how the market will react, if there is any volume or something like that. Okay, nice. Okay, I want a clear breakout here. No, it reverses. It's at a support zone, an extreme support zone, which is very, very strong. No, there is no breakout till now, but we are very close. Okay, it's good. It's a good sign. I will wait. If the market sustain this breakout, no, it reverses back. Okay, nice. No, it reverses again from the near resistance level. Let's wait. I need a proper confirmation. Only then I will be able to take the trade. Now, this looks promising to me. As you can see, market is breaking the previous resistance level. So if I get an opportunity here, I will place a trade here. I'm just waiting. We'll wait. Focus is important here. Nice. Okay, so I have placed my trade here, and why I took the trade, because previously market reverses from that previous resistance. Okay, now we can place one more trade here. So I have placed one more trade here. So we have now total $200 invested. Now why I have took the trade? So let me explain. So as you can see, previously the market reverses from that previous resistance, but this candle, you can see it reaches till this level, meaning that buyers are strong. So now what I was waiting is that market needs to go down, at least gets near to this level, so that I can place the trade at that very level. If I get an opportunity like here, I will trade one more trade. I will take one more trade, because this gives us a margin of safety. I know that market will go upward at least to this level for now. So let's wait and watch how this trade is going to work. For me, it's a winning trade from both sides. The $200 will be giving us a good profit here. So let's wait. This trade is very, very good, because it has been placed at a level which cannot be broken by the market for now, according to the conditions, because this is an extreme level. Extreme levels are very strong. If not broken, they will reverse the market. And as you can see, my prediction was the market will hit this level, and you can see it has reached to a very, very height, and from that level it's not possible to reverse back, at least to this level. So we are going to be in a profit. So let's wait and watch, and that's it for today. I will explain one more time after the trade finishes, so just wait. So it's a winning trade. As you can see, we have won this trade by a very, very large margin here. So let me explain you the trade again. So in the beginning, as I told you, that I am ready to take a trade in the direction or in the reversal direction as well. Why? Because we have extreme level and consolidations. Whenever there is a consolidation, the breakout gives great results. So if we get a breakout and the direction was also downtrend, so a breakout in the direction of trend is always like it will always give you profit, like in 80% of the time. And why I was ready for the reversal, because this is an extreme level. They are very, very powerful. If not broken, they will reverse the market without any doubt. and what I get a clear confirmation. As you can see, market reached till this and reverses like very fast, and this candle, this wick, suggested me that the market is going to go upward. Why? See, you are seeing this in 1 minute, but in my mind I am calculating the 5-second candlestick, and let me explain you by showing it. So market goes till this level and it started to go up. Market reverses, you can see market goes to this level and reverses back, but again the market reached this new height, and the previous resistance which I was talking, near resistance, was this level. This candle broke through, and the volume was there. The market was moving fast. As you can see, it's been broken by this, so it is suggesting that the market will continue to go up for a good amount of time, and that's why I took the trade. And now you can see the market reverses again, because the general trend is downtrend, but this is because of the extreme level that we have got a good trading setup here. And that's why I took this trade, because I got a clear confirmation by this and this candle. The momentum was there, the volume is there, and I can see the breakout of the near resistance, and the extreme level of support is also helping the market to move forward in the upward direction. And that's why I took this trade, and this is how you can also trade. So if you have any doubt, comment down below. Well, I think I have explained everything, but if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. If you find value in this video, anything that you learned, something which is valuable, then please like this video. If you want to, you can share this video also. It will be a great help to me, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.